It's the pink envelope. This could only mean one thing. Ipsy's here. Yay! So, if you guys are not familiar with Ipsy, let me tell you. Oh, I love it. Let me tell you a little about it. It comes monthly with the monthly subscription. It's $10 a month. It is super cool in my opinion. You get a neat makeup bag with every month, so you end up stocking up on a bunch of these. They're pretty cool. They're always different. I use them for lots of different things, and I give a lot of them away, but they're fun and I enjoy them. And then you get 5 different things inside, usually a trial size, but again, it's $10, and you don't know what you're getting, but it's always fun. So let's see. The first thing that I have is Grow Long Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Nourishes, detangles, repairs breakage and split ends, adds shine with caffeine and ginseng. Free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, and phthalates. I don't know. This is by Mark Anthony. And promotes longer, stronger, healthier looking hair with shine, detangles and repairs the rough feel of split ends and breakage. Apply evenly into wet or damp hair from roots to end, comb through in style. Well, very nice. I will definitely use this. It's probably got a thing on it. It does. Let me take it off so I can tell you guys how it smells. Or maybe not. Ooh, a little more than I expected to pop out, but oh, it smells good. It smells clean and fresh like conditioner. And I don't really want that on my hands. But yeah, it's nice. It smells really good. It's soft. And then this says unzipped. Being sexy isn't limited to certain size, shape, or age, and definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real. It's confidence. It's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness the Ipsy way, aka your way. Cool. So, Luna highlighter by Luna. And this is it. That's very nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's lighter than I expected. I was a little nervous when I saw it. I was like, oh, this is going to be way too dark, but I kind of like it. That's nice. Cool. And, oh, Bye Bye Under Eye. Yay! I have some of this, and this is in medium tan, warm medium. So yeah, this is great. It helps it's your 8 hours of sleep in a tube. Award-winning anti-aging formula, highly pigmented to cover everything. Very nice. So this is exciting. I actually bought some from it. I don't know if I got it as a sample or if I bought a bigger one. I'm trying to remember and I can't. So let's see here. But this is just an under eye cream, not just, because it is really good. I am having problems with the bottles today, aren't I? But you can see how it goes on, and hopefully you can see how heavily it what's the word? It covers. how heavily pigmented it is and how much it covers. I have a little age spot right there, or a freckle. I'm sorry, it's a freckle. I don't have any age spots. 29 years old, you don't get age spots, right? But that just covered it right up. Very nice. Yeah, I've used this though, and I love it. So this might be a little darker than my regular color, but I don't even care. I will make it work. Then I have hand moisturizer. Very nice. I'll put that on after I wipe all this stuff off. It's -417. Never heard of it. Oh, -417, and that's the website, www.-417.com. And I should have one more, and this is a long lasting liquid lipstick, Ipsy Unzipped, from Ofra, O-F-R-A, ofracosmetics.com. Use code Ipsy30 for 30% off. Oh, well, that's nice. But this color does not look like it would be me. But I don't know. I will give it a try because sometimes I am surprised. I actually like it on my hand. That does not mean I will like it on my lips. But does it tell you what color it is? It doesn't. Made in the United States. Does not tell you what color it is. Very interesting. So I want to see if it will transfer. So I'm just going to wait a minute. La la la, talk amongst yourselves. Singing in a song. Do a little dance. This says, developed with plastic surgeons, this award-winning anti-aging concealer is highly pigmented. Did I already read that? I feel like I did. Never creases or cracks, and it truly covers everything. And you can use your highlighter over it. Oh, and here's a before and after of real results. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about it. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's pretty good. A little bit of, well, yeah, it comes off, but it's not horrible. Okay, I have a wet wipe handy. Let's clean off this hand. Well, now I can't get it off. Do a little frog. Meep, meep. Goofy. Okay, whatever. Let's try the lotion. Oh, it smells pretty good, I think. Yeah, it smells very nice. I guess I should have taken off. Well, now it's probably too late because I have stuff all over them, but gosh, it smells a little familiar. It's like almost fruity, but it's a particular smell, and I can't think of what it is. Gosh, it's like citrusy. It's a little oily, to be honest. I mean, it feels smooth, but I feel like I could rub it in forever, which might be a good thing in this weather that we've been having, but honestly, it's pretty daggone oily. I mean, it smells all right, and it probably does hydrate, but at what expense, man? I wouldn't want to do, I mean, look how greasy my hands look. I don't know that I'd want to shake someone's hand after this, or do something crafty, or touch some paper that I cared about, because it feels like this is never going to dry or like get rubbed in. So yeah, that's not my favorite. I would skip that. Don't buy that. But this actually I'm kind of impressed with, so I'm kind of excited to try that on my lips. I am excited about this. This is really nice. I'm liking this highlighter-y stuff. And it looks like you get a ton. I don't know if you do, but I mean, this looks really thick and then it's all mounded up there. So looks like you get a ton of it. And this will probably be good. And I know this is good. So not bad, not bad. And I like the bag a lot. So yay. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.